Introducing August Smart Lock Pro, our most advanced smart lock yet. With August, your phone is now your key, letting you securely unlock and lock your door using the August app. You can even set August to auto unlock, so August knows when you arrive using Bluetooth. You can set it to auto lock, so when you leave, August locks the door behind you, kind of like your own personal doorman. On your August app, you can create secure, temporary keys for family, friends, even service people. Grant access for a few weeks or a few hours. You decide. You never have to worry about copies of keys getting into the wrong hands again. August Smart Lock Pro comes with Connect Wi-Fi Bridge, giving you remote access to your front door. Like when your mom shows up 3 hours early. Simply use your August app to securely let people in from anywhere. Even if you're miles from home, you can remotely check and lock your door from your August app. And with our DoorSense technology, you can always make sure your door is not only locked, but closed. You can even ask Alexa, Siri, and Google Assistant to securely lock and unlock your front door. August is also Apple HomeKit ready, and August is a certified Z-Wave Plus technology provider. August attaches to your existing deadbolt on the inside of your door. Installation takes minutes, and you can keep your existing lock and keys. Available on Android and iOS. August, the key to your smart home.
Imagine anyone can install a smart door lock with just one screwdriver. And you have a worry-free door lock that can automatically lock your door right after it's been opened. That's what FIDO offers you, and much more. FIDO is designed to be a highly secure and smart lock. It recognizes the door's open status according to the rotation angle of the handle. When FIDO determines that the door is open, it automatically locks the door and keeps unwanted followers outside. If the door lock is vandalized, you will be notified remotely, and the alarm will be triggered immediately. The simple and cable-free design allows it to be installed in just 15 minutes on both left and right-facing doors. On your FIDO app, you can share the unlocking authority with different users remotely and set the time window for unlocking. FIDO records the door opening information in real time and pushes it to the administrator, so you know all historical operation records at any time, anywhere. For the elderly and children with unstable fingerprints, we have designed a dime-sized inductive door card for using with FIDO, or easily activate the lock by Bluetooth. Combining the ergonomic design of the handle and unique fingerprint recognition, FIDO offers the most comfortable unlocking experience. It takes only 1 second to open the door. With 128-bit AES encryption, FIDO effectively prevents counterfeiting and protects your privacy. FIDO is designed by a Red Dot award-winning team, a great interpretation of technology and minimalism. With super low power consumption, FIDO can work for 1 year with just 2 AAA batteries. It alerts you when the battery is lower than the warning line.
Introducing the Samsung Digital Deadbolt Door Lock, the SHS3321. With a simple and modern design, this product is easy to install and use. The SHS3321 features a random security code to stop intruders from guessing your PIN code. Includes an optional ability to lock your door automatically once the door shuts, and a long battery life with an expectancy of 12 to 24 months, averaging 10 uses a day, and a 30% battery warning. If the batteries do go flat, you can easily power up the lock with a 9-volt battery. Entry options include 71 users, either using a PIN code or a key tag, 4 included, and the provided warranty access card. The SHS3321 is a DIY-friendly lock, meaning it is easily retrofittable onto an existing deadbolt lock. Installation requirements include 35 to 55 mm door thickness, back set of 60 to 70 mm, and a lock style of 95 to 105 mm.